Welcome to our first ever Warehouse and Manufacturing Worker Appreciation Week. As we continue to grow with new team members and new capabilities, we believe we are stronger together as the leader in specialty packaging distribution. From the warehouse floor to the production line, every order that's received, picked, and loaded, and every piece that's manufactured, your commitment shines through each and every day and plays a vital role in keeping our operations running smoothly. You, our warehouse and manufacturing workers, are the engine that propels our purpose as a leading North American distribution and packaging company. With every shift, you keep Veritiv running safely and efficiently. This week, we celebrate you, and we are stronger together as one team, shaping the success of Veritiv.